Right here I have the ideal dress pants if you're a taller man and you're looking for something that has really nice movement, comfortability. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size small, and I think that they fit absolutely great. These are going to be made with a 96% polyester and a 4% spandex, so that's really going to give you a lot of stretch in the pants. You're going to have that four-way mobility. It's not too tight in the crotch area, feels really good. And then we also get this really nice elastic waistband that does have a drawstring that's matched black as well, same fabric, so it just blends in. I just have a long sleeve shirt tucked in with a little bit of overhang. You can't even see the drawstrings on here. They don't flop down, they kind of just like stay up, and they look really nice and neat. We are going to have a nice seam that comes in the pants going all the way down. It's kind of going to be ironed in when you receive them, and we're also going to get two deep pockets in the front. Very nice, hold your phone, and then we're also going to get two pockets in the rear that are going to be functional. You just have to cut them open. These pants are going to be ideal if you're a man that is 6 foot to 6'5", and then they also have an extra tall size if you're above 6'5". They're going to be absolutely perfect. They hang over the shoes flawlessly, and honestly, I think they're great because it is a nice slim fit finish and just gives me a ton of movement. Whether I'm bending, walking, these are going to be perfect for the office, a wedding, casual wear. If you're going to a party or an event, this is something that I'm just going to throw on and you're going to look really good. If you're worried about the waistband, you can always just have a shirt untucked as well. If you want to do a button-down shirt or something that's going to make you look business casual, you can just throw on a shirt and untuck it. It's going to look really good. But overall, I highly recommend these. Go and check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.